Okay, Raj, you want to do an airplane? All right, so Raja, she's out of bottle rockets, and she did most of her Roman candles. So now she's got a whole box of fireworks that are just hers. And she loves these little planes. Okay, Raj, you ready? Let's go do a plane. Now she just sits all by herself and waits. She'll probably stand back up because she's going to be too excited. There she goes. All right, Raj. Raj, you're too close. You're too close, Raj. Sit down. Okay, we're going to move this right here. Hey, sit. You stay sitting right there. This is close enough. Dad's got to light it. All right, stay right there. Hey, sit. Raj, I'm going to really have to hold you for this one. Hey. Oh, shit. I got to hold her. Okay, there goes Raj. Get it, Raj. It's hot still. She rolls on it. You get it, Raj. There's our crazy dog who loves fireworks. Good job, Raj. All right. You see my yard is full of blue little airplanes and Roman candles because Raj just loves them. All right, that was it for today.